Hey guys, this is Canon GX7050. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan, and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to your computer using a USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging. And to connect this printer with laptop using a USB cable, this printer is currently connected with the laptop using Wi-Fi Direct. So we need to disable Wi-Fi Direct and also disable wireless network and also disable lines. So this is wireless direct. So select enable or disable wireless direct, then select off. So switch wireless direct off. Please wait momentarily. Then you go back. And if you look on the Wi-Fi, you see that the Wi-Fi image is cancelled. Wireless direct is cancelled. Wired LAN is cancelled. Now to connect this printer using a USB cable, take the USB cable, go at the back of the printer. And connect this end to the USB port, the port on the top. Connect it to the USB cable port. Then take the cable, take this end of the cable and connect it to your laptop. You will hear a noise to show you that the laptop and the printer are recognized. Now the next thing to do is to go to your laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then add a device. Now it's going to search for this printer. This printer is Canon GX7000 series. Canon GX7000 series. Canon start to offline. Select print test page. Here we go. You have correctly installed your Canon GX7000 series on laptop and data raw USB 009 data raw. So this is how to connect this printer and your laptop using a USB cable. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you.